Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Tozo A2 earbuds with any Windows PC or laptop. First of all, before the pairing, charge them for like 20 minutes and also disconnect them from previously connected devices. Next, open this charging case, and as you can see right here we can find these indicators. They are currently on the red, but when we simply take them out of this case and take a look for the indicators, they will start blinking blue and the red. And it means that right now we are in the pairing mode, so we have to put them close to our device. We have to go for the settings. On the left side, select Bluetooth and devices. Select Add device and select Bluetooth. Right now select Tozo A2 from the list. And when you are successfully connected, you can also enter for the system settings. Go for the sound. And here select output and the input device for Tozo A2. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.